you know, their book and what it supposedly says, and, you know.
Oh, look, it's an Alabama Toyota from Alabama. You're kind of coasting in the center lane. You're supposed to stay right except to pass. You're done passing, you should move back to the right. What you're doing is wrong. Don't they do that in Alabama? You know, move over when you're done passing people. Again, it's nitpicky because, you know,
Because they'll have, you know, they will have that information on where the fires actually are.
Alaska! And you're speeding! We got in Alaska! And they're still speeding!
They're nice Christians who don't seem to be very...
Hey!
Only 17%
Really?
though, so that they switched because their church or congregation became too polluted.
Arizona. I guess they don't have stop signs there. Arkansas. You are speeding! Stop it! I have a feeling that most of this video is people passing me speeding, and I'm going to apologize in advance.
Einstein's insights, what happens is that it solves the problems of the prior insights, right? Like Newtonian physics.
The Californian did the California stop. Just rolled right through.
Said that with Truman's revelations concerning the new law, it was as if all the worst imaginary
Colorado,
of science.
you are speeding, and you drive a Dodge Ram. Anyone that drives anything Dodge Ram are just dumb and are really bad drivers, you know. Those are the worst trucks and vans and whatever else that they make.
Out there doing the thing there that the dummies do. It is raining to beat the band.
Connecticut did not stop. Why I don't live there no more.
The way it had been. When he had come in here, he'd had no doubts. Going down would be the wrong decision. He had known that then. Wendy was only scared of the boogeyman, summoned up by a single hysterical...
Console? I have no clue what kind of plate that is, but it's red and blue. I don't know what that is. But they're speeding! Stop it! To make the stupidest stop. Washington, D.C. You are speeding! Stop it!
Are awesome. They're family friendly. Yeah, and they're also, you know, if you don't have...
Exit dive from Florida. And that is a common sight if you're in Florida, too. No, trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time, because this is a construction zone, and there are signs everywhere that say no trailers allowed in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. Oh, and by the way, you're from Georgia, too. No, you cannot be there. Yeah, that truck's from Idaho. It's going too slow, I guess. Yeah, I gotta nitpick something. It's the only Idaho I've ever seen.
Awesome institution in the capital, with Mrs. Brandeis presiding as umpire over a kind of musical chairs game designed to give the justice 10 or 15 minutes of individual conversation with as many guests as possible within an hour and a half. Truman was not accustomed to meeting such people, he had told Lowenthal candidly when the invitation was first issued.
Left turn lane dive from Illinois. That truck from Indiana is speeding! Stop it! And it drives a Dodge Ram too. Anyone that drives a Ram is stupid. I'm just saying.
Sunday morning, October 2nd. He would be heading?
Iowa, you are speeding! Stop it, please. Shouldn't you go back to Iowa and grow some corn or something? You're from Kansas and you drive a Toyota turd. That is the only reason why you're gonna be in this video, because it's a really lame car choice. I don't know if I had a Kentucky already, but that was kind of a dive-ish for over 2 lanes. That's Kentucky. Yeah, that Nissan driver from Louisiana could do a little bit of a better job parking. He's not in the middle of the parking spot. He is kind of off to the right a little bit.
Yeah, that's pretty
But like, it's
You can
weird
go
to me
now.
that more people don't do this strategy because clearly it works.
That guy from Maryland is speeding! Enjoy your crabs. What are you doing? Really? Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah, hi. Masshole. That truck from Michigan is speeding. Speeding is wrong. Stop it!
Exactly, no. This is very unusual, Clifford said. A new country asking for recognition. It doesn't happen every day.
Exit regret. From Minnesota! And a Toyota turd. Oh, what state is that? I like to say that's Ohio. But I don't know. I'll look it up. And they're speeding, by the way. That truck from Nebraska is speeding. Stop it. Yeah, I feel like I've said this at least 20 times in this video so far. It's getting old.
Hear your problem. Graham grabbed a pink towel from the box at his feet.
Uh-oh, whoa.
Righteous
That was one hell of a right turn regret.
He said.
Oh, look, it's a Ford douchebag from New Hampshire. And they're speeding. Don't you just hate people from New Hampshire? You know I do. Live free or die. Yeah, you're definitely going to die if you're going to speed that much.
And now, on with our feature presentation. October 8th, 2023. It's week 5 of the NFL season, and we head to Acrisure Stadium in Pittsburgh on this beautiful autumn day for a big
freaking jersey. Well, that Nissan driver over there is from New Mexico. The only thing I could see wrong that they're doing is that there's a little bit too much space in between them and the car in front of them. Yeah, I gotta nitpick at this one. That's the only New Mexico I've seen in the last year. Whoa! Really? North Carolina, first in flight, Screwbaroo is speeding. He's flying all right. Is that North Dakota? Oh, there's a North Dakota! And you're speeding! Yes! I would never thought I would have gotten a North Dakota on here.
The Mets get the White Sox. Then they get the Red Sox.
No stop.
Before they get the Yankee games. 2 Yankee games.
Man, that truck from Oklahoma really cut it close with that guy in the right lane.
Words and expressions into common American usage. Whistle stop, Dixiecrat, and red herring.
With you, I can be blunt. If I die, I need you to check on my parents. If I want to hear about our time on Mars firsthand, I'll need you to do that. It won't be easy talking to a couple about their dead son. It's a lot to ask. That's why I'm asking you.
Yeah,
I tell you you're my best friend and stuff, but it would be lame. I'm not giving up, just...
Since no details were yet known in Washington.
Rhode Island, you are speeding in a construction zone. And you drive a Screwbaroo. Ew. And also that stupid... I hate that color car too. So, stop it. You're doing everything wrong. That car from South Carolina is speeding. Stop it! Go back to South Carolina. We don't... No. Go away. South Dakota! I got to South Dakota. It took long enough and he's speeding. And he drives a Toyota. All bad. Stop it!
I think it was the Crow. He's the leader.
You can go. You have your own lane. And there's no one coming. Seriously.
Potsdam is one of those moments. We can hardly take in the sense of what happened until it is spelled out in a picture like this. The picture of three men walking in a graveyard. They are the men who hold in their hands most of the power in the world.
Really? Texas?
Yes, the devastation of Berlin was swamped for his first foreign ministers conference. He himself.
That guy from the U.S. government is speeding! Stop it! Wow, I am so freaking impressed. Go back to Vermont with that shit.
As only a few were aware. Truman had asked Clark Clifford to prepare a comprehensive analysis of Soviet-American relations, the first of its kind.
Turn from the center lane. And I believe you're from Virginia, a land of the virgins. Wait, what the hell? What the heck is... What the fuck? Really? From Washington, what the hell are you doing?
More to flee Colombia. The family had become increasingly desperate. Los Pepes seemed to be toying with the Escobars, picking off
where are you going, dude?
Friends, including some who had been
figure it out!
Were they sent to hell?
Worse, Wisconsin.
Holy crap, guy from Wisconsin, you're speeding! That is bad. Stop it.
With his brother, Roberto, Pablo had said, "This is the place, brother. Do you realize that after 6 in the evenings it fogs over, and is foggy at dawn, too?"
Wyoming.
That would discourage a surprise.
And you are speeding! And also, according to the map here, there's a speed trap coming up, so you might want to slow down a tad. Alberta. What you guys doing way out here? You're not doing anything wrong. You're just in the video because, hell, Alberta. Connor McDavid is never going to win a Stanley Cup. New Brunswick, you are speeding. That is bad. You should stop it. You should respect the laws of this country and never, ever, ever, ever speed. Too bad you guys don't have a hockey team I can make fun of.
He told the delighted crowd he had not been sure whether he would be able...
That truck is from Nova Scotia. He's not doing anything wrong, but it's Nova Scotia. It's like really far away.
Believe in Tom Brady heading off to the Super Bowl. Like, which individual that bogs up a mirror on planet Earth?
No, stop.
We're all like, yeah, sure, whatever. But this is...
And what are you doing halfway to the left there? What's your plan? What is your purpose in life? What is it that you want to achieve here? Okay, you want to turn left. People are weird.
Last now was that his family be given government protection, that he be given a private cell with his own kitchen to prepare his own food in order to prevent poisoning, and permission to phone his family 3 times a week.
Holy shit! Yukon! And what are you doing stopping randomly in the middle of a parking lot? Come on! It's like, Yukon's middle of nowhere, North Canada. What the...